Good morning. It's Monday. Currently sitting down having a Greek yogurt. This is the Costco brand, vanilla flavor. This one's all right. I usually buy Chobani. I feel like these ones are kind of sour tasting, which is kind of gross, but I just threw some granola and some chocolate chips in here. I know it's not a good start, but I'm gonna try and eat super clean this week because yesterday, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but for dinner last night, I literally had a leftover Cane's chicken strip, some Lay's potato chips, a Hawaiian roll, and a brownie. That's what I had for dinner. So I'm trying to be a bad bitch. I'm trying to be skinny. I'm trying to be summer beach body, bikini body ready. I've been working out 3 times a week for the last like 8 weeks, if not longer. So this week I'm gonna try and eat way cleaner. Yogurt's not too bad, but the fact that I put chocolate chips in it. You like my shirt from Pauly Shore's 50th birthday party 2 years ago? I went because he's one of my friends. I like this shirt. It's like my pajama shirt because it's purple. And I'm never really gonna wear a purple shirt just like out and about. I don't know. I'm really weird about the color purple. Oh my god, I'm dying. I want to show my face. I just did a workout. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's like 100 degrees. Actually, it's like 80. But I'm freaking dying. But those abs. Slowly but surely. I'm vlogging with my phone right now because I'm driving. I'm by myself. I don't have Zoe with me, so I'm living life a little bit more dangerously right now. My eyes are on the road. Okay, I'm holding my phone with my hand, but I'm looking at the road. Anyways, I just went to the UPS store. I dropped off an Amazon return because I bought the wrong curling iron. It was the wrong size, so I just returned that. Felt good. Had to wait in a freaking long ass line, 6 feet apart. I'm so over this fucking coronavirus bullshit. I'm so over it. And now I'm on my way to Target to do a little non-essential shopping because I need to get out of the fucking house. I can't stand being in the house anymore. It fucking sucks. And I feel like my immune system is gonna go down if I'm depressed from being in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna strap my fucking mask on my face. I'm gonna wear my goggles that I have on, my sunglasses, and I'm gonna do some non-essential Target shopping because what the fuck else am I gonna do? So anyways, I'm really sorry if this week's vlog isn't up to par. Like, how much shit can I really show you in a vlog these days? But I'm trying, and shout out to all you, oh, there's a cop. Shout out to everyone who's supporting me and watching my vlogs regardless. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for coming through for me, and we're gonna make it through this together, guys. I hope you guys are all doing all right wherever you are in the world. Let me know how it is where you live because I'm curious. California sucks. Orange County, I live in Orange County. It's honestly not that bad here as far as like our rules, and we in Orange County we have like almost 4,000 cases, but LA County, which is right next to us, has like almost, I don't know, it's in like the 20,000s. And I just heard today on the news that they're actually extending their stay-at-home order until the end of July, so the beginning of August. So another like 2 whole months. That fucking sucks, and I feel so bad for them. And I really hope that they don't do that here in Orange County because that would be awful, and I would probably go to Arizona or something because there's no fucking way I'm gonna stay in the house for 2 more fucking months. You're tripping. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm on my way to Target to do some non-essential shopping, and I don't give a crap because I've been a good girl this whole time, and I've stayed home.